Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. Today's video is a challenge, Try It Tuesday. I'll give you all the details. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right in. This tray I made in a previous video. There is a link to my full video in the description. Try It Tuesday is hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs and co-hosted by Teresa B. DIY. We were to take inspiration from our favorite crafters or channels and recreate their project. There are so many talented DIYers joining in, so please follow along the playlist in my description. Make sure to check out the host and co-host channels as well as the other crafters in the playlist. When you subscribe to my channel, you can see when I upload new videos. Now this tray was originally from a thrift flip that I had done, and I painted it in with my spray paint first, and then I decided to go over it with a Navajo white. And it's a wall paint, but it actually worked really well for this project. I didn't do this alone. My husband helped me with the drill and getting the handles on. These handles I had gotten at Ace Hardware. Start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. This was my first time trying to distress a tray, so I definitely learned a lot of lessons with this project, like not distressing it in a linear fashion. But hey, we all live and learn, so I'm excited that I had a little bit of inspiration for this project. I'm excited that I tried to distress, and I am excited to keep learning and trying new projects where I'm distressing or just making something different out of something else. I mean, who thinks about putting handles on a little tray like this? Obviously, my inspiration did. Trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah. I think this tray came out so cute, and I'm so thankful for the inspiration. You can find their links in my description, and it's flowertowncharm.com. And look how cute that is. And I have to say, mine isn't perfect, but mine is pretty darn good for my first time doing it. So let's jump right into inspiration number 2. This is so cute. Now to start off, I did not see the inspiration firsthand. I had a thought of doing something with some glass vases. I wasn't sure exactly what I was gonna do, but you'll see where I got the inspiration and when it came into play. But here I'm just cleaning off the vases with a little bit of alcohol and getting the tags off the bottom. And I'm taping off where I'm gonna paint, and I had an idea for a theme, but you'll see as I go how I do it. And I just taped it off where I wanted to paint, and I had already cleaned it, so my glass is ready to paint. So I ended up using a chalk paint to color over the glass, and I'll put the link in the description, but it's called Smoked Pearl. This was such a fun challenge. On my channel, I do DIYs, Trash to Treasure, Flipping Fridays, Shop with Me, and more. Make sure you subscribe if you like those kind of videos. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I had done 2 coats on the glass and then I sealed it in after. You'll see what I use for sealer, but I definitely suggest using a sealer just to make sure that none of the paint peels off. So I used a spray Mod Podge, but you could use the regular Mod Podge, but I like the spray. I thought it was going to be easier, and then I was ready to start my hot gluing of the rope. Now I used 2 different ropes here. This rope was just a twisted rope, and it was kind of thick, and I wasn't really sure what I was going to do for a design, and you'll see I just kind of wrap it and I go down, and I didn't really pull it tight, but I wanted the paint to show through a little bit, and I like this idea, but you'll see what I do for my second one.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not.
So I think it came out cute, but I wasn't exactly thrilled with the way it looked. So this is where I went online and was looking for some inspiration, and this is where I got my inspiration from. And I ended up using Dollar Tree rope, and this time I went along the top and I did it very tight. So that was definitely something different, and that was what I saw in the inspiration picture where she had done the rope really tight. You couldn't see through the vase, and I really liked that look. So I think I'm going to try this project again. I don't know if I'm going to take the other one off, but I'm going to do it again with the tighter rope. You can find my inspiration for Brooke Riley at refabbed.com.
If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna.
Okay, so here it is. This is my last project, and there's the inspiration. So cute. So first I just printed off some words from my cameo. I decided to do 3 little planters. I know the inspiration was just 1, but I'm making it my own. I had painted it first with apple barrel white. Again, everything will be down in the description, but I just got these little planters from the dollar store, and I didn't exactly have an idea what I was going to do for all of them. I knew I wanted to use the words from the inspiration, but I printed it out too big, so it's the best I could do with the size that I had. I actually had bought a different planter, a little bit bigger, and then I slipped on ice and I broke the planter. So this is what I had on hand, and this is what I used. So first I went over it with the white apple barrel on the stencil just so there wouldn't be bleed through, and then I chose a couple different colors. I don't have names, they were just some random colors in an assorted package. Like you saw from the inspiration, I'm going to use a little bit of twine and I'm going to hot glue it to the top of each of the planters. I did this to all 3, and this is just a twine, like a regular twine I get off of a long spool.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I have some colored twine that I got from the dollar store, and I'm going to make just little simple bows to go around the other twine.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated.
Now here I just used some white rocks from the dollar store. I put some foam and some paper towels as filler at the bottom. And the succulent, I got that from the dollar store as well.
Wait now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I wanted the succulent to sit a little bit higher, so I just folded up some paper towel and I hot glued it underneath the succulent.
I don't wanna be trapped in a box.
Going along for the next two planters, I put the rocks in first, and then I made my little paper towel holder and then the succulent. So it worked out a little bit easier.
I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way.
And that's it. This little succulent is ready to go. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. This inspiration came from Etsy, and it's from the Friendly Pot Dealer out of Denver, Colorado. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the other videos in the playlist for Try It Tuesday. A big thank you goes to the host Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs and co-host Teresa B. DIY for making this challenge and bringing all these talented YouTube crafters and DIYers together. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Freckled Mom, please do so. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.